after this appliance is properly connected. Now we start charging and inflating. Turn on this power. Okay. Yes. Good, here you can select English. We first chose Chinese. After entering the main page, then turn on the air. Push the air directly in. Like this, the air is already open. This can be adjusted, this can adjust the pressure. Pull it up. Turn the knob up. You can control it. Now we start dosing. First, adjust the screw rod. Then insert the material directly. Person to person. Then lock it tight. And then, after locking tight, we open this and that. We open this one. Fluctuate up and down. Lift this up. After lifting up, move this roughly to the center position. Then the injector. There is a soda button here. Press it once. It will bulge. Okay. At this moment, the material is already stuck. Then here, loosen it. Just press directly. Press this to release air. Now the air has been released. This way it can be moved by wind. Okay, now we need to release the air. Now it's time to change the mold. Pull out this film. No. Oh, pull it directly to this welding platform. Yes. After pulling the film over, okay. Now let's first debug the coordination between this hoist and the welding machine.